Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. We have learnt a part of this dua. Now we'll take the remaining part. Bismillahi walajna wa bismillahi kharajna. Bismillahi walajna wa bismillahi kharajna. In the name of Allah we entered, and in the name of Allah we went out. Okay. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Walajna means we entered. Walajna, we entered. Walaja, he entered. Wa bismillahi kharajna, and in the name of Allah we went out. Kharajna, we went out. Kharaja in its different forms occurs in the Quran more than 60 times. Wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna, and on Allah our Rabb we trusted. Wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. Okay. Bismillahi walajna wa bismillahi kharajna. Every task of a believer should begin in the name of Allah and end with Allah's name. After entering the house, we are reminded of tawakkul. Wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. A person sometimes feels proud of his achievements and brags about them before others, among the family members. And if he fails to achieve the success, he gets depressed and nervous. In both cases, we should remember to put our full trust in Allah alone. Wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. Money, efforts, relatives, friends, and other sources are only means. Things get accomplished by the help of Allah only. So for achievements, don't forget to say that by the grace and help of Allah, the tasks are completed. And if anything goes wrong, we should accept this as the will of Allah. And if someone has helped you, give thanks to him, because Allah made him a support for you. Whoever keeps trust in Allah will never get disappointed. Such a person will always show patience and be satisfied with the will of Allah. Simultaneously, he will not lose heart and do his best to complete the task. Analyze and memorize. So we have 2 points in the first part and 3 in the second. Allahumma inni as'aluka. So here we have Allahumma inni as'aluka khayral mawliji wa khayral makhraji. Okay, these are the 2 questions in the first part. And the second part we have 3 things. Bismillahi walajna wa bismillahi kharajna wa ala Allahi rabbina tawakkalna. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.